Hello, hi friends, itech here. In today's video, let us talk about iPhone 12 October high-speed event, iPhone 12 leaks and rumors. Let's not waste time and let's get started. Friends, Apple will live stream a virtual event on October 13 starting at 10 a.m. Pacific time. All eyes are possibly on the launch of new iPhones. The company has historically released new iPhones in September, but due to COVID-19 outbreak, suppliers in China were forced to shut down operations. Apple is expected to release 4 new iPhone 12 models this year. All models are predicted to have a Super Retina XDR display, more drop-resistant glass, and 5G compatibility. Those 4 models would be 5.4-inch iPhone 12 mini, 6.1-inch iPhone 12, 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Pro, and 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max. Additionally, iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 could come in black, white, red, blue, and green colors. The Pro and the Pro Max models are expected to be available in gold, silver, graphite, and blue colors. Talking about the storage, this year iPhone mini and iPhone 12 will have the choice between 64, 128, and 256 gigabytes, whereas the Pro and the Pro Max version starting at 128 gigabytes and goes all the way till 512 GB. Let's talk about cameras. iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 both have a dual cameras. Both phones potentially have a wide and ultra wide angles. The iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max are rumored to include triple rear cameras, telephoto lens, LiDAR sensor for depth tracking, and 4x and 5x optical zoom respectively. Talking about cost and pre-order dates, the latest leaks suggest that iPhone 12 mini will start at $699 US, the iPhone 12 base model at $799 US. The higher-end iPhone 12 Pro could start at $999 US. The Pro Max could cost you around $1,099 US. The iPhone mini may be available for pre-order on November 6th or 7th, while the release date of November 12th or 13th. iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro could start pre-order on October 16th or 17th and released on October 23rd or 24th. The iPhone 12 Pro Max pre-order date is rumored to be on November 13th and released on 20th of November. Friends, which iPhone are you excited about? Do let us know your opinions in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a like and share this video. Please subscribe to our iTech channel for more tech videos. Stay safe and thank you for watching iTech.